You know, for a limited shoe, we're seeing quite a few colorways of this shoe release. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and there's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Maestro 2 Hyper Jade. Now, the Air Maestro 2 has seen a little bit of a resurgence since Ronnie Fieg collaborated with Nike in late 2017, which included 2 Air Pippin 1s as well as 2 Air Maestro 2s. And since then, Nike's been releasing the Kith version of the collaboration in a couple of colorways. So far, we've gotten the Rush Orange colorway, the black and white pair, and now this Hyper Jade pair. Also, they released the Air Maestro 2 as part of the Art of a Champion pack in the All-Star colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box comes in the oversized Nike Air Maestro 2 limited box, and to this day, I still don't know why this box is so big. And the color code is white, Hyper Jade, and Obsidian. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a white upper with white overlay panels. Moving towards the toe, you have a white toe box with a suede Obsidian toe cap and a Hyper Jade Nike swoosh right on the toe. Moving towards the tongue, you have the Obsidian laces as well as the Obsidian tongue, and you have the Flight logo in Hyper Jade. Moving towards the heel, you have the white base panel, this is leather, as well as the white overlay panels and the Obsidian Nike swoosh. And this is a suede Nike swoosh. You have a white leather heel with Obsidian detailing and the Nike swoosh in Hyper Jade. Also, you have an Obsidian pull tab. On the medial, you have the zipper because this is the Kith installation, as well as the straps for the tongue. Also, you have the white leather overlays and the white base, and you have the suede Obsidian Nike swoosh. This shoe features a white Obsidian and Hyper Jade midsole with the same colors utilized for the outsole. When I first saw the pair, I thought the Obsidian portions were actually black, and I instantly thought of a Spurs colorway, and I thought, what's the relation between Scottie Pippen and the Spurs colorways? But this is actually Obsidian, so I guess this is just a regular installation of the shoe. But none of the Air Maestro 2 limiteds that have released have a real background. I guess the black and white pair has callbacks to the original Nike Air Maestro 2. But for the most part, these have just been random colorways. I do like the color blocking of this shoe though. It reminds me of the Air Max 93 Menthol, and I'm a fan of the shoe. But like I've said in previous videos, my only gripe about it is that it is so hard to get on. The zipper, the straps, all of that make for just a terrible experience getting on and off the shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
I wanna talk to you.
The Air Maestro 2 Limited Hyper Jade hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 25th for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.